Tom Salemi. We're here at the inaugural Aesthetics Innovation Summit. Very happy to be joined by Mary Fisher, the Chair and CEO of Colorescience. Mary, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Our pleasure. It's an exciting space, and Colorescience is a great story. If you would help sort of tell our viewers what Colorescience is offering, because really it's kind of a cool blurring between the world of pharma and the world of cosmetics.
It is a little bit of health and a little bit of beauty all in one. And we are sold primarily through physicians' offices, dermatologists, plastic surgeons, and other physicians and medical spas. So we really are at that intersection of health, beauty, wellness. Our products are technically OTC drugs for the most part. We believe in very high levels of SPF protection, and once you have a sun protection claim, then you are an OTC drug. And so we are compliant with all the FDA requirements there. But we also have products that serve as daily beauty routine. And so you can have active skincare ingredients, your high level of SPF, and your color correction all in one. Very comfortable and easy to wear, and once people start with them, they love them and stay on them forever.
That's terrific. And you've been able to draw some strong venture support, including from some firms that I know of as primarily being pharma investors.
Yes.
Really. How does your story appeal to the pharma-oriented VC world?
So I think our original investors, they were with us at SkinMedica, which was a professional skincare line, very much backed by clinical evidence and scientific support. And we do the same at Colorescience. So they were quite comfortable to join us at Colorescience for the same principles. And since then we did a Series B financing with Longwood Fund in Boston, very much a biotech life cycle investor, fantastic support, and really smart people. And then our Series C round most recently with 1315 Capital, led by Adele Oliva, who was the person that brought me to SkinMedica. So full circle back to Series C at Colorescience, and since then we've been growing. It started out that we were growing 25% month over month, quarter over quarter. Now we're growing about 65%.
Interesting.
The same way.
So you're selling primarily through physicians or through physicians?
Correct.
So when you're releasing a product or just trying to get the word out about a product, are you selling to the physician, or do you actually go to the consumers first to get them to ask their physicians for those products?
Yeah, we do both. Mm-hmm. So we're not advertising to consumers as a rule. That's a big budget that a small growing company like us can't handle. But we work directly with our partners. So our dermatologist physician partners work with us right from the vision for a new product. They help us form that vision. They help us understand the clinical evidence they're going to need to see, what it's going to have to look, sound, and feel like all the way through. We get them lab samples along the way. They use them in their clinics and give us feedback. So they are very much involved. But we also keep a close group of ambassador consumers who want to engage with us and are willing to try new products early and give us feedback and really say what they're looking for as well. So I would say it's both. And I would stress that our consumers, when they're on a website, are looking for the same things that patients in a clinical practice are looking for. Mm-hmm. They're consumers too. So it's good to have that consumer input so that the conversation starts from its best opportunity.
Interesting. Great point. Final question. I mean, this is kind of a whole new territory we seem to be moving in. We have interesting investors investing in your company. You've got kind of a combination of cosmetics and pharma and science. Where do we go from here? What do you see this industry turning into?
The industry broadly, I think we see some important trends. Consumers are getting better and better educated and more demanding for quality, clear information about how this product will interact with their health and wellness. They're making that demand of us and of our physician partners. For our physician partners, we're seeing a lot of aggregation. So dermatology practices that are grouping up together, 20, 25 at a time. And then wellness practices where dermatology's for a long time been integrated with plastic surgery, but now integrated with other wellness specialties around those two specialties. And so I wouldn't use the term stop shop because that sounds like something else, but it is a wonderful way to get all of your health concerns evaluated and addressed in a pretty convenient location.
Great. Well, it's great to have you here. And
Thank
thank you
you.
for telling Colorescience's story.
I'm excited about the summit, and thanks for including me.